Welcome back, guys. I'm going to be filming a fall tutorial, guys. So you know what that means? Hot girl summer is over. Hot girl summer is officially over, okay? We're in fall now. I know. Let's have a moment of silence, okay? All right, let's get into it. Don't talk about my scarf because I don't have time for my wig to be doing the Ray J challenge today. So that's why I got this one. But I'm gonna have it on at the end of the video so y'all can see the full look. So let's get into it. All right, the brows are on and they're on fleek. Finally, like, oof. I did good today. Anyway, let's get into this eye look. I've been through it, bro. It's been through it. Look at that. I had dropped it, so. I think I'm gonna use the Morphe 3502 palette, Second Nature. All right, I'm gonna take a fluffy brush. It has no name because it was cheap and it was off wish.com. And it took like 3 months to come in because it came from China. So, yeah, I'm in my bag, but I'm in his too. That's why every time you see me, I got some new shoes. Mwah. I'm gonna start got these niggas wishing. He said he hungry this the kitchen. Okay. So I have to start back over, but it's fine. It's fine. I'm fine. Okay. I'm gonna start off with this brown shade. Pop that in my crease. Pop it in my crease. And hopefully it'll look great. This is the Morphe 3502 Second Nature palette, by the way. That's Morphe 302 Second Nature palette. Blend that out back and forth. And pray for the best. Then I'm gonna take this gray, I don't even look gray on there. Darker brown shade. And do the outer crease. Step it in. Your skin just like pearls. Best thing in the world. I never trade you for anybody else singing. To get me through it all, I let my guard down the road. Oh, you should be with someone you love. And then I'm gonna take this golden shade and put that on the lid. It's this flat brush. Dip into that gold shade. Now you put around. All you see. I'm gonna darken that outer crease more to get some dimension to my eye and kind of go over the gold shade. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. liquid liner and line the top lid. All right, I'm gonna pop on my lash. Wait till it dry a little bit first though. And the easiest way to put on your lash is to like look down in a mirror. Then I'm gonna finish the other eye off camera. All right, the eyes are done. By it being that it's fall time, my skin usually gets drier. So I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution. Is this Makeup Revolution? Yeah, Makeup Revolution baking oil. Ooh, how does this feel? Ewy, ewy. Pat that in. There's no way I can say I put a little bit too much. All right, now I'm gonna let that sink in for about a minute. My girls hold their head like their head hurt. Like, oh my God, I have a migraine. My head hurts. How y'all feeling this turtleneck tease? It's a little, stand up. I got some on it, really? Of course I do. She's cute, she's fall, she's here to stay. I'm gonna fill in my pores with the Baby Skin Maybelline. I'm gonna focus that mostly on my T-zone, because that's usually where your larger pores are. Well, that's where mine are anyway. All right, and now I'm going to set my primers with the Fit Me Maybelline Loose Powder. The Fit Me Maybelline Loose Powder. And I feel like this just adds more coverage and make your makeup stay in place all day, guys. All right, now I'm gonna take Beauty Bakery Foundation in the color 303W. And I'm gonna take my good old e.l.f. brush, okay, and do my forehead first. Then I do the rest of my face with the Morphe M444 brush. Guys, I don't care what nobody say. e.l.f. makes some good products, okay? I had this brush for at least 3 years or more. I'm telling you, if you're on a budget, get e.l.f. Don't let these beauty gurus fool you into thinking you gotta buy these expensive behind brushes. Okay, I'm gonna start doing my makeup with a scarf on all the time. So much easier. You ain't gotta worry about getting makeup on your wig. All right, now I'm gonna take the LA Pro Concealer in shade Beautiful Bronze and conceal / highlight. Carisha, please. Oh, I know what to say. I'm going to be doing a selection by the late and great Whitney Houston. I Have Nothing. Share my life, take me for what I am. Shut up! All right, I'm gonna take some of the Juvia's Place concealer in shade 10. It's a little bit light, so I'm gonna put that under my eye just for like to brighten my under eye a tad bit. No memory. I thought. All right, now I'm gonna contour with the Black Radiant Stick Foundation. Not right there, but up above, kind of on my cheek. So it can hug onto that highlight. Okay. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. brush again and blend that out. Blend in those. Now I'm going to sit with Black Radiance loose powder. All right, I'm going to sit under that contour with the Maybelline Fit Me, because this powder is darker than the Black Radiance. So. Hello, my name is Dreka and I bronze with eyeshadow. That shade and that shade, I mix those. Yeah, I'm gonna line my eyes with the NYX liner. I'm gonna highlight with Wet n Wild, Crown of My Canopy. But I thought it was called Novu because new in Spanish is Novu. So I'm like, oh, Novu. No, it's not it. Now I'm gonna line my lips with Color Mates liner that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna do the Juvia's Place Lulu. It's like a red shade. It's very pretty, especially on me. Look at that. The wig is on. She's looking cute. Looks so cute. Freak. Oh my god, I look so good. All right, guys, this is the fall look. All right, guys, that's it. That's my fall look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I like it. Hope you guys do. You should. I mean, look at me. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back. This looks so good. Ooh, who is she?